Guys, so today's video is gonna be an unbagging. So today I went to Bath & Body Works and they had a sale 6 for $18 on all soaps, all hand soaps. So we went shopping. Yep, we sure did. So many goodies for, I actually got it for $20. I got 12 soaps for $20. Look at that. So they're normally 6 for $18, all soaps, even the Halloween and fall. But I did a 20% coupon that was expired today. And I signed up for the rewards they have, which I never knew about. And I got $10 off $30 or more. So I was able to use those two. So I'm just gonna show you what I got, the picks I got. And yeah, okay, let's see. First one is this White Barn Kitchen Lemon Gentle Foaming Soap. I got this foaming one for the kitchen. I love that because it's like marble. So pretty. I love the way it looks. I always have a lemon one in the kitchen. And then I'm gonna show you the Halloween ones first. I got 2 Halloween ones for the kids' bathroom because they have 2 sinks. I got this one, the candy corn. It smells so good. It smells like, let me see, it doesn't smell like candy corn. It just smells candy, like sweet, but not like exact candy corn. That was so cute. I love the unicorn one, and it's purple. What is in the purple soap? And then I got this one, the Halloween one. And this one smells like lemony. Not all crazy, but a little lemony. And that's the one. That's this one right here with the little skeleton dog. And it's yellow. So right there, that's 3. And then let me start off with my fall. Let me start off. I already started. My fall one. I got Pumpkin Apple, which is my favorite scent from their fall collection. Oh, it smells like, reminds me like holiday, Christmas. So this is the Pumpkin Apple. I think I got 2 of these. Yep, picked up 2 of these, and I always get the candle from fall, Pumpkin Apple. Oh, it smells so good. Got 2 of those, and then I got a regular apple in the foam. As you can tell, I'm obsessed with apple. And then I got the regular apple. And this is the gel deep cleansing hand soap. So it's like a gel one. And the next one I got is the gel deep cleansing one. Is a sweet cinnamon pumpkin. It smells so good. I wish I can like send you guys a scent the way it smells. So I got this one. Harvest Pumpkin Spice Clove and Sugar Cane. What? So this is a sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I'm ready for fall. And this is another fall one. Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. I forget what it smells like. Oh, it smells like marshmallows and latte at the same time. Doesn't smell like the pumpkin at all, but that's that one. And then this one is just Eucalyptus Mint Gentle Foaming. Come on, camera, focus on me and the soaps. And then 2 more, which is Fresh Strawberry Tart. Another fall one. Fresh Strawberry Tart. And then I got Black Cherry Merlot. Merlot. To me, it smells like Damatat. But my son likes it, so I got it for him. But it smells like Damatat to me. I guess because of grape, I don't know. But I got all these. I'm gonna try to hold them all. Think I should? You think I should? I'm gonna drop them, make a mess. Alright. Okay. Yay, I can do it. So I got all these for $20. I don't know how long the sale is gonna last, but go get yours. 6 for 18 bucks. And today, which is Sunday the 4th, is the last day for the 20% off. But by the time you see this video, it's probably gone. Sorry. I'll try to leave a link below of new coupons or anything. But yeah, $20. I think we are fully stocked until Christmas. So that's it for this video. Just wanted to unbox and let you guys know the 6 for 18. I mean 6 for 18 is even good. Normally it's 5 for 23, I think, or 5 for 25, or 6. I don't know. But yeah, I can't wait for the candle sale too, because I want those fall candles, especially that pumpkin apple. My favorite smell. Oh, it smells good. I'm ready for fall. Okay, so that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.